Hello kids, Namaskar. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Today, in this video, we are going to recap the full chapter, right? And then we will start with section 1. So, in this chapter, we have learned about plants, right? And their parts and how they have their own functions, right? So, a plant has a root system and a shoot system. Yes, you can see in this picture, a plant has a root system, right, which is above or below the ground. Yes, below the ground, and the shoot system, which is above the ground. We cannot see the root system, right, because it is underground, right? Then about root system, usually grow under the ground, holds the plant into the soil, absorb water and minerals. See, what is the function of root system? Yes, it holds the plant. It holds the plant, right? And also it absorbs water and mineral. Then we also learn about in root system there are two types of root, right? Taproot and fibrous root. Taproot, one main root, thinner roots grow from the main root. See what happened in the taproot? There is one main root and then from the main root thinner roots they come out, they grow, right? जो फर्स्ट सीड में से जो रूट ग्रो होता है वो उनका मेन रूट हो जाता है, राइट, इन द टैप रूट. बट इन द फाइबरस रूट डज नॉट रिमेन द मेन रूट, राइट. वो स्टेम में से दूसरे रूट्स, थिन रूट्स आने लग जाते हैं, राइट. देन वी हैव लर्न अबाउट शूट सिस्टम. Usually grow above the ground, includes stem, leaves, flowers, fruits and seed, right. Shoot system क्या होता है? Which grow above the ground, right. और कौन से parts हैं उसके अंदर? Stem, leaves, flower, fruits and seeds. And also we have learned about the functions of the part, right. Which function, which parts of the plant they perform and they do. So let's recall the functions of them. So first is stem. Stem keep the plant upright, carries food and water to different parts of the plant. What is the function of stem? It keeps the plant upright. वो stand होने के लिए help करता है. And also it carries food and water to different parts of the plant, right. From the soil it will take water and nutrients from the soil, food also, and then it will pass to the different parts of the plant, okay. Then what is the function of leaves? It make food for the plant and also it gives out oxygen which is needed by animals, human beings, right. Then functions of flower. Flower change into fruits and they help in the reproduction, right. About fruits, they have seeds inside them and seed, it give rise to a new plant, right. Many plants they grow from the seeds. So in this chapter we have learned about the systems, right. Root system and shoot system. Root system includes types of root, right. Taproot and fibrous root. And in shoot system we have learned the parts of the plant, their functions, right? And also we have discussed one topic, that is germination. Now, what is germination? It is the process by which a young plant, right, it's grow from the seed, then seed germinate when we give them right amount of water, air, right, sunlight, right, and the substance called chlorophyll, which is required to germination and for making the food. So here we have completed the discussion of the chapter. Now let's check yesterday's homework. Come to page number 77. Correct the false statement by changing the underlined words. Number first, the root system of a plant grow above the ground. So dear kids, root system it's grow above the ground. क्या वो ground के ऊपर grow होता है? We can see. No, that is called shoot system, right? तो हम वहाँ पे कट करके लिख देंगे shoot system. Second one, stem hold the plant firmly to the ground. Stem hold करती है plants को? No, it's root, right? So cut stem and write there root. Third one, branches in fibrous root system are of almost the same thickness. See, branches के roots. Yes, roots. जो fibrous root system होता है उसमें सारी जो roots होती हैं they are of same thickness. Fourth one, the flat surface of the leaf is called the leaf vein. No, we called it blade, leaf blade, right? So cut vein and write there blade. Fifth one, roots of plant such as spinach store extra food and are eaten. See, spinach is a vegetable which grow from the leaves part, okay, not from the root. So root cut and you are going to write there leaves. Hope you all have written the correct answer in your textbook. If there are any changes, you can make. Filling the blanks, come on page number 79. First one, dash change into fruits. Flower or fruit? Yes, flowers. Second one, wheat and rice that we eat are dash of a plant. So kids, wheat and rice are the seeds of a plant, right? Third one, we use the dash of a cumin as spice. Seed, right? Cumin की seeds होती है वो हम use करते हैं as a spice. Fourth one, dash contain baby plants that grow into a new plants. Yes, seeds. And number fifth, a dash plant that comes out of a seed is called a seedling. Adult or young? Young plant, right? A young plant that comes out of a seed is called a seedling. So here we have checked the yesterday's homework. Hope you all have written the correct answer. If there are any changes, please make it. So now come to page number 81, exercise section A. Exercise first, choose the correct option. Okay. Children, please take your pencil and do with me. The part of a plant that grow under the ground. So which part of a plant that it is grow under the ground? Yes, root, stem, leaves or flower. So the correct answer is root. Next, which of this is a function of the root? Root का function आपको इसमें ये टिक करना होगा ऑप्शन जो रूट का फंक्शन है, राइट। रूट्स क्या करते हैं? इट बियर्स लीव्स, फ्रूट्स एंड फ्लावर्स, इट मेक्स फूड, option C, it helps the plant to stay fixed into the soil, or option D, it changes into fruit. So what is the function of root? Yes, it helps the plant to stay fixed into the soil. Third one, things needed by a green leaf to make food. What are the things needed to make the food for the leaves? Yes, chlorophyll, sunlight, air and water, or all of this? Yes, all of this, because a green leaf needs air, water, sunlight and also chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green substance which is present in the leaves. Fourth one, which part takes food from the leaf to other parts of plant? Okay, food कौन पहुंचाता है दूसरे parts में? Root, flower, stem or fruit? Yes, stem, because that is the function of stem. Fifth one, this part of a plant has seeds inside it. Seeds होते हैं उसके अंदर. किसके अंदर seeds होते हैं? Root, flower, stem or fruit? Yes, fruits. So take the option D. Now come to match the following. First one, taproot. Let's see the option. Grow into a new plant, change into fruit, have seed inside them, kitchen of a plant, or has a thick main root. So kids, taproot has a thick main root, right? So let's write there. First one, answer is fifth. Then leaves. Leaves is a kitchen of a plant, right? So second one, fourth one. Then flowers. Flowers change into fruits. Second one, third one, answer is second. Then fourth one, fruits have seeds inside them, right? Fruits has seeds inside them. Then fifth one, seed, grow into a new plant, right? So first one answer fifth, second answer fourth, third one answer two, fourth one answer third, and fifth one first one. Now come to two example. First one, plants with taproot. Here you have to give two example of the taproot. Yes, bean, hibiscus. Then roots we eat. Two example of the roots which we eat. Carrot, radish. You can also write beetroot. Third one, stem we eat. Potato, sugarcane. Right? You can also write ginger. Fourth one, leaves we eat. Spinach, cabbage. Right? Fifth one, fruits we eat. You can write your favorite food here. I have written mango and apple. Now come to page number 82. Give one word for the following. Number first, the part of the plant that usually grow above the ground. So what we called it? Shoot, right? Second one, the part of a plant that usually grow under the ground. That is root. You can also write shoes system and root system, right? System लिखेंगे तो भी चलेगा, नहीं लिखेंगे तो भी चलेगा. Third one, the substance present in the leaves that makes them green. So which substance is present? Chlorophyll, right? Fourth one, the part of the plant that helps in the reproduction of the plant. Which part help them? Seeds, right? Seeds has the, because it grow into a baby plant and new plant, right? So the answer is seeds. Fifth one, the process by which a baby plant grow out from a seed. Here you are going to write the process name. So what we call the process in which a baby plant, it's grown into a new plant with the help of the seed, it is called germination, right? So write there germination. So here we have completed our exercise. Today your homework is to write this exercise in your test book. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to discuss short answer question, long answer question, skill builder and application based question. So bye. Take care.